Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to confirm whether your Samsung Galaxy S22 original or fake. Let's get started. And firstly, we can just open settings. Here we can go in the About Phone tab, and now we can check the IMEI number right here. Now take your box in which your device came and compare those numbers. If it matches, then your device is probably original. Now let's copy this number and open this IMEI check website. Here we need to paste the number which we have copied and select this check IMEI. Then wait a couple of seconds till it will be loading. And now you can see the information about your device. If everything matches, then your device is probably original. And the last way how we can check it is to open the phone tab and here type in this asterisk #06 and #GAN, and you'll be able to see the IMEI for one and for the second one as well. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.